the way it is. It's Doug Warlock, you know, from Newport, Gwent. I'm not doing all the talking, you know, from Newport, we are like, we listen to all music, any music, like, you know, hip-hop music, punk music, can't refuse it, bring it all, come, we listen to it. You know, we ain't gonna restrict our minds because, like, you know, and listen to one sort of music. I think it would be very silly to do that, you know, to listen to one particular type of music, you know, and that's why when you're hearing Dub War, you're hearing how we express ourselves through our music and by using all means and any means of musical vibes, like, you know.
1, 2, 3, 4.
They're a good band, very confident and